How to go live on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can go live on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, head on to fancily.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now the first step to do while streaming on Fancily is to have your streaming setup ready. So make sure you have all the setup ready, such as your devices, the content that you want to display on live, your lightings and all of it. Now after you have made sure the setup is ready, head on to the link called fancily.com/creator/streaming. Let me show you an example. So go to a browser of your choice. After that, tap on the search bar. Then after, go to this website called fancily.com/creator/streaming. Now as you open it, you will be redirected to a new page. On that page, you will find an option called generate stream key. So tap on that option and then use the key to stream from your software. One thing to remember is that in order to go live on Fancily, first of all, you'll have to be a verified creator. Since I have not verified my account as a creator, I was not taken to the streaming page. However, assuming you are a verified creator, you will be redirected to that page from where you can generate your stream key. So in this way, you can go live on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.